The Ohio Department of Transportation has more than a dozen projects in Mahoning and Trumbull County, which will begin later this year. First News reporter Nadine Grimley has the details on some of the biggest projects.
The Ohio Department of Transportation plans to spend about $54 million for 18 projects in both Trumbull and Mahoning counties this construction season. Two of those projects aimed at resurfacing busy roads in Mahoning County, including I-680 from Gibson Street to just south of Route 224. Work there includes 9 bridge repairs and begins in September, with a total cost of around $13.5 million.
We will mill a couple inches of pavement off and replace it with new pavement to give a smooth ride. That's part of our, preserving our system and maintaining our roadways and helping with that easy access and easy movement of people and goods.
The Midlothian Boulevard resurfacing project would start at Glenwood and extend all the way down to I-680. The total cost of this particular project is expected to be about $1.2 million.
Safety improvements are the focus of Trumbull County's big projects, which include starting to build the diverging diamond at the intersection of State Routes 46 and 82 in Howland. The $19 million project is slated to begin in July.
We have a lot of crashes there at those exit ramps at 46 and 82. This will make it a little bit easier for folks to get around, a little bit easier to access those ramps and basically reduce those conflict points from 32 down to 8.
A restricted crossing U-turn, or R-cut, will be installed on Route 62 at Bedford Road in Brookfield. It's another intersection designed new to the area and will eliminate left turns.
Initially, if they wanted to go left, they'll have to come out and make a right, get in the left lane, and then they can kind of turn around in the median area there and head back into the opposite direction in which they were going.
That project is expected to begin next month. Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.